Good morning guys. Gawa tayo ng simple salad. Yan, very simple. Lettuce. Ilalagay ko dyan. Lettuce lang at saka ano, ilagay ko. Cucumber. Prepare ko na to kanina. So, and egg nga pala. Ayan, cucumber. Naka-slice na yan guys. And, okay. Diyan. Okay. Done. Tapos, ito naman, egg naman, egg. Lalagay natin sa ibabaw para meron naman lasa yung ating, salad. Yan. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng dressing. 2 eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Yan. Very simple lunch. Yan. Lunch ko yan, guys. So, lagyan ko nito sesame dressing. Yan. So, dressing. Okay, that's it. Yan, guys. Ang aking simple lunch. Yan. Okay, let's enjoy eating. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo kung paano ako kakain yan. Bye, guys.